Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see that I've applied the grid lines. I did it because I wanted to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. In order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves, which are in the left upper corner. So let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Let's tap on it and then tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.